or sealed your secretariat?
Gentlemen of the press, upon discovering the presence of policemen in the secretariat of the party this morning, and having observed that the gates of the office have been sealed up, I, Akite Waziri Bulama, National Secretary of our great party, addressed you earlier that I am going to contact, as head of the administration of the APC, that I am going to talk to the operatives and their leader. We discussed, and they informed us about the instruction they received and why this instruction was given. Our interface showed that the police informed us that they are investigating some information they got from some vital sources that there may be threat to peace around the secretariat, and that is their position. And we were also told that right now they are still investigating to establish the nature of threat to the operations of the national headquarters of the party. Now, it's a law-abiding party, and after consulting the national chairman, Chief Abiola Ajimobi, the acting national chairman, Senator Abiola Ajimobi, as well as other senior officers of this party, I was advised to comply with the directives given for locking the office. I should advise the staff to all go home for the rest of the day because the matter is under investigation. I am also to inform all the members, 16 million members of APC, through the fourth estate of the realm, of the status of things and the situation in the National Secretariat of the APC. I want to also inform you here that you have been here since morning. You are witnesses to what is happening around the Secretariat. All of you can attest to the fact that there is peace, there is serenity, there is calm, there is orderliness, there is law, and there is order inside the headquarters of the APC and around the premises of the APC national headquarters. I want to also say further that the engine room of the party, which is headed by me under the offices of the national secretary of the party, in line with the constitution of APC, the operations and engine room of the APC is apolitical, is non-partisan, is neutral in the APC as a party. We work round the clock, 7 days a week, to address issues. We service the party and the organs of the party. I want you to take serious note of this. We are apolitical, we are neutral, we are for everybody in APC, and we are for nobody. We have 16 million registered members of the party across this country. These 16 million members include all elected leaders of this party in the legislative arm, in the executive arm, and the local government branches and state governors, 19 of whom are operating and implementing the manifesto of APC. And I want to thank you finally for engaging us responsibly, and I want you to please inform the public, our members as well as the public, that there is no misunderstanding or threat to peace or breakdown of law and order in or around the APC Secretariat. We are complying with instruction, and the police said that they are still investigating to establish the nature of threat to peace that they got from intel sources. So we respect that decision, and we thank you all.
Yes, sir. So there is supposed to be a next meeting going on.
Summoned by one Victor Giadom, and that meeting is supposed to take place virtually. So those of us in the secretariat are not part of that meeting, especially the admin staff and other staff working under the office of the National Secretary. We are attending to the day-to-day operations of the party and responding to members' issues, conflict and other things, and management issues, organizational and operational issues. So we are, as I said, the meeting was summoned by someone who claimed that he is chairman of the party. Well, that is known to him alone. The chairman of this party, the acting chairman of this party, is Chief Abiola Ajimobi, and I take instructions from Chief Abiola Ajimobi.
In addition, sir, don't you think you issued a statement yesterday saying that a meeting where your leader, President Muhammad Buhari, participated today and illegal? Don't you think it's a disrespect?
Please, you see, the captions which the media use or the interpretation that people give to statements is beyond our control. But I want to say that we are all loyal to the party. We are all loyal to our leader and president of this country, and we work in line with his instruction that everything should be done in line, everything done in the party, every operation or action should be done in line with the constitution of the party. I, as National Secretary of the party, administrator of the party, custodian of records of party, and the Secretary's office has the power to inform all the leaders and stakeholders of this party. While we did not disagree, all the memos that we sent out explained the position of the Constitution in relation or in respect of the actions and information issued out by Victor Giadom. We have tried to do that with all sense of humility, with all sense of respect, and with all sense of utmost appreciation of the fatherly role of our leader, President Muhammadu Buhari, and all the other leaders, the governors, the Senate President, the Speaker, and our fathers and grandfathers in this party. What we did was to explain the position of the Constitution in relation to what Victor Giadom is parading. It is the duty of the Secretariat to cite those portions of the Constitution to explain the true constitutional position of the party in relation to any matter, so as to inform and properly update our leaders. I wish to say here that I regret and apologize to all our leaders if in the course of this explanation there is any word that is deemed to be or have been found to be offensive. I apologize on behalf of the Secretariat of the party and the officers who write these memos to us. The condition under which we produced these memos was very hasty and very urgent. In fact, we left this office 1 a.m. this morning and we resumed 8 a.m. You can understand the pressure under which we are working to generate information, cite relevant portions of the Constitution to inform and update all our leaders and stakeholders. Thank you very much.
Colleagues, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Under pressure.